Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're doing another challenge video. Capture the flag. Mike is over there, getting ready to go. So I got this airsoft gun right here. And when he tries to capture it, I'm going to shoot him. And if he makes it back to his base, he wins. He's got to capture the flag first, but if he makes it back with the flag, he wins. So, see how this goes. Alright, go when you're ready, Micah. I can't shoot him until he gets off base.
Who shot me?
Dude, that bounced off you.
What do I do?
Go
You
back!
go off.
Oh, cool.
No, you go off. You come trade with me now.
Okay. Nice shot, man.
Like,
Yeah.
He's on base shooting. He's on base shooting.
Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. You're about to look. What the hell?
I saw that. What the?
Alright.
Alright, here we go. Round 3.
Round 3. It's round 2.
It's round 3.
You got first one.
Ooh. Oh, that almost hit you.
Ooh, ooh. Can Mike do it? Can he break the streak?
Matrix out. Oh, I hit you.
got dead. To begin, why did you fire a shot? What?
See where it
Illegal?
is.
Going behind the trees.
Shot in your butt.
Over the river. Through the trees. At my creepy grandmother's house.
Got ya.
You dead.
You me?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Beth.
Round 5. I got shit in my leg. Oh, I hit the table. Oh, I got you.
I feel nothing.
I got you.
Are you sure I didn't hit this?
No, I'm pretty sure I heard Gene take it.
Okay.
Oh, don't you?
There we go. Let's just get off Wi-Fi. That'll work. Maybe things will load in.
Okay, you got me. Alright, round 7, I think. Set, go. Whenever you are ready.
Round 7.
I'm starting to think this might be impossible.
Yeah. Wow. Who could have guessed that one?
Now he's trapped.
You got close. I felt the air go by my hand when you did that. I didn't get it, but it was close.
Oh.
Holy crap.
I'm just gonna wait for him.
Are you dancing?
Ooh. Ah, Mikey got it.
It's round 8. Mine 8th round. Thought you won, Micah.
He has to get this last round. It's like a mercy round. He makes it now.
You continue.
Yeah, if I shoot him, I have fun, and I win.
Right.
So if you do the